how to enable disable apps on Samsung. Now, if you have a lot of applications on your device, there is a way on how you can enable and disable some of them. To simplify, you want to head over to your system settings, and once inside your system settings, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and you specifically want to look for the app management option. From here, you can just go ahead and click on the app list, and we can get a complete list of our applications right here. Now, if you want to disable some of your applications, you simply want to go ahead and click on a specific application. In my case, just an example, I'll go ahead and click on calendar right here, and once inside the application, you can then go ahead and see the disable button right below the screen right here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and you will be able to disable the application. Now, right after disabling the application, you can go ahead and enable it back again by clicking on enable. You can go ahead and do this for a lot of applications. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.